So hello everyone, welcome to the new video. This is the 1000 minus 250 GB hard drive and it almost saved me from stop making the videos. Let me explain. So whatever I shoot in my mobile, whether it's a cinematic video or a normal video like you are watching right now. The collective data of my daily videos are near 6 to 10 GBs average, which isn't a lot, I know, but my laptop has only 512 SSD and I added all my videos there, so it can't keep this up. Now let's talk about why I got this very late, and for that we need to go 3 days before. Hey buddy, how are you? Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. What's going on? Oh, that's nice, nice. By the way, I was asking that do you have any hard drive at the moment? I need that urgently. Hello, bro. There is nothing to do with the family. Hey buddy, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. What's going on? Oh, hanging out with the family. Nice, nice. By the way, I called you because I needed the hard drive urgently. Do you have at the moment? Hello, hello, bro. Why can listen you properly? Maybe let's not talk about that. Anyways, then at the end of the day, I went to a shop and bought from there because it is cheaper than online, of course. So yeah, before you go, I would just want to tell you one thing that there's a subscribe button below this video. So make sure to click that. Bye.